Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to DSS online class. Now, next topic is distributed operating system. This type of operating system is a recent advancement in the world of computer technology and are being widely accepted all over the world. This type of operating system is designed to share its workload, overload multiple servers or various autonomous interconnected computers communicate each other using a shared communication network. We can see in this figure there are three machines, machine A, machine B and machine C, and all three are connected with a network, and all three and operated through our distributed operating system. Independent system process their own memory unit and CPU. These are referred and loosely coupled system are distributed system. These systems processors differ in size and functions. These system processors differ in size and functions. We can see the second figure. There is the communication network, and with the communication network, different computers are connected with each other, and all computers have their own memory and CPU. Some computers do not have a RISC. So in this distributed operating system, one computer can easily access information for other computers. The major benefit of working with these type of operating system is that is always possible that one user can access the file or software which are not actually present on his system but on some other system connected within this network. Example, remote access is enabled within the device connected is that network. इस लाइन का मतलब बेटा ये हुआ कि अगर हम अपना एक क्या करते हैं, सर्वर बना लेते हैं और उस सर्वर से कई सारे कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट कर देते हैं, तो जो सर्वर है उस पर कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन डालते हैं तो उसको अदर कंप्यूटर क्या करेगा, ईजिली एक्सेस कर सकता है. ठीक है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का मीन्स ये हुआ कि एक अपना कंप्यूटर को सर्वर बना लेंगे और सर्वर बनाने के बाद हम उस सर्वर से चाहेंगे तो और अदर कंप्यूटर को क्लाइंट बना देंगे. सपोज क्लाइंट बना लिया हमने और उससे क्या करेंगे, हम अपने क्लाइंट को सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या कर सकते हैं, एक सर्वर से ही हम शेयर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बेस्ड ऑन यूज़र इंटरफेस. A user interface UI facilitate the communication between an application and its user by acting as an intermediary between them. Each application, including the operating system, is provided with a specified UI for effective communication. UI means user interface. It means the way user communicate user called user interface. So there are two types of operating system interface. Number one is command line interface, that is CLI, and number two interactive operating system interface. So we will start number one, command line interface. The command line interface is a type of UI that enable user to interact with the operating system by issuing some specific commands. अब कमांड लाइन यूज़र इंटरफेस कमांड के थ्रू काम करता है. जैसे हमारा यूनिक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, ठीक है. अभी हम डॉस देखेंगे, डॉस भी करके देखेंगे, उसमें डायरेक्टरी बनाएंगे. ठीक है. अपना फोल्डर डायरेक्टरी फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे, सिंपल से, और ये सारा कुछ इसमें देखा जाएगा हम लोग वन बाय वन करके. तो ये होता है कमांड लाइन यूज़र इंटरफेस. वी कैन सी दिस फिगर, दैट इज़ कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. यह एक कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है आपका, CMD. जब ओपन रन में लिखोगे CMD कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, ठीक है, तो ये आपका ओपन होगा विंडो. ठीक है. we have to write command and perform any task here. ओके, आप कोई भी कमांड लिखिए यहाँ पे और वो परफॉर्म करेगा, ठीक है. सो सच एज दैट, इस इंटरफेस को हम कहते हैं कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. इन ऑर्डर टू परफॉर्म ए टास्क इन this interface, the user need to type a command at the command line. The disadvantage of CLI is that the user needs to remember a lot of interact with the operating system. Therefore, these type of interface are not considered very friendly from the user perspective. सो इसमें हम लोग सिर्फ कीबोर्ड का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, माउस का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. यही है कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. माउस इसमें यूज़ नहीं होगा, ध्यान रखिएगा, सिर्फ कीबोर्ड का ही यूज़ होगा. द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सच एज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम CLI कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस का एग्जांपल है MS-DOS एंड Linux टर्मिनल. नाउ लेट्स सी सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ इंटरफेस, that is interactive operating system interface. The interactive operating system allow users to give commands without typing, just pointing and touching. There are two subcategories. Number one is graphical user interface GUI and second is touch screen interface, that is also called post WIMP interface. GUI also called WIMP interface. Now let's see first GUI, graphical user interface, is also called WIMP interface. The graphical user interface is type of GUI that enables the user to interact with the operating system by means of point and click operations. Our GUI contains several icons representing the pictorial representation of the objects such as a file, directory and device. The main features of a GUI are windows, icon, menu and pointers WIMP, which make these operating system interactive in a nature. WIMP stand for Windows, Icon, Menus and Pointer. The graphical icon provided in the UI can be manipulated by the user using a suitable pointing device such as a mouse, trackball, touch screen and light pen. We can see this figure. This figure can be used by GUI interface. And this is Windows interface, Windows desktop and Windows operating system is a best example of graphical user interface. So examples of GUI interface, graphical user interface: Windows, Apple Macintosh, Linux, Android, iOS, etc. Let's see second touch screen interface, that is also called post WIMP interface. फुल फॉर्म समझ गए हो ना WIMP का? हाँ, ध्यान रखिएगा. These operating systems are also interactive in nature and provide access via touch on a screen. We can see the figure. We can see the options. We can select any options just by touching it. Touch screen technology allow people to use their figures to select icon and option from the device screen. फिगर नहीं है, फिंगर्स, सॉरी फॉर डैट, फिंगर्स है. टच स्क्रीन सिस्टम्स आर टिपिकली मेड अप ऑफ 3 key elements: the touch screen, sensors, the electronics and the display. The common examples of touch screen application include cell phone, GPS units, public kiosks and industrial and medical input devices, etc. So the example of touch operating systems are Windows, Apple Mac, Android, etc. So So in this video we have learned different type of operating system. I hope all आप लोग पूरे लोग समझ चुके होंगे, ठीक है। तो अभी के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।